Hey guys, Chris from eXp. Today and for the next couple of days, or possibly the next couple of weeks, I'd like to share my creative process with you. So I'm going to take you step by step through everything that I do every time I make a documentary. So the topic is a man named Ron Blake. He is an assault survivor. He is the victim of a sexual assault, and he had a lot of trouble getting through it. This actually led to him eventually being an activist and trying to help out people with similar problems. So this is kind of a serious one, but it's also an important one, as you can probably tell. One of the key issues for me is the fact that there's already a couple of stories out about Ron, and a couple of news stories, a couple of documentaries, and I want mine to kind of stand out, and I want mine to be a little bit different. So I've decided that I want to focus on him. No outside interviews, just Ron giving his story. Maybe some words floating across the screen at times. I want it to be inspirational. So that's the focus that I have. That's the way I'm going to frame it up. Yeah, that's where we're going to go. So let's jump in and I'll show you the first step in my creative process. Okay, so I have to wear reading glasses or I'm not going to be able to see anything here. So I use Final Cut Pro for my editing, and I did the interview, as I said, I did the interview with Ron months and months ago, so it's already in the computer. This is where we're starting. The first step for me is logging. So you want to look through all the raw footage and basically take notes on it. So when I'm logging, I use a basic text document. So here you can see that we have the time code and then the significant phrase, and I'll just go significant phrase to significant phrase and put the time code that I find it at, and that way during editing I'll be able to go right to it.
It's the 953rd day in a row I've been doing this, but it all began with a trauma, and this was...
Okay, so this journey all began with the trauma. Okay, so first time code is about 30 seconds in, so I'm going to record that. You don't have to write every single word down. You want to kind of paraphrase, just try to make this a little bit quicker because this process can be a little bit lengthy. So I just keep doing that, writing down time codes and significant phrases. This is going to take a while. There's about an hour worth of footage, so this is going to be the rest of today and then some of tomorrow. So stick with me throughout the next couple of days, couple of weeks, and in the next video, I'll show you the next step in my creative process. Thanks.